In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can deploy GitHub project on Render. Now, first, you just need to go to your GitHub account here and then select which project you want to deploy on Render. Now, for me, I already uploaded the project. It's just a simple clock here, as you can see. Now, just click on it, as you can see here. As you can see, this is the project that I want to deploy into my Render. Now, what you need to do, you want to go to your Render dashboard here, click on plus new in the top here. Now, after that, you want to click on static site. Now, after that, after you are in this page, you want to connect your GitHub if you haven't done that already. Okay, so you need to do that. You just need to you want to click here, just click GitHub here, and then you want to connect it. Now, after that, you want to click on here. You just need to click here on GitHub, as you can see, and then you want to scroll down and then click on install. Okay, so after you click on install, as it says, you are redirected now to Render. As you can see, you will be able to see all the projects here. Now, like I showed you, I'm going to deploy this project on my Render here. As you can see, it's called Clock 2. So just search for it here on Render. It's called Clock 2. Yeah, this is the project. Click on it. Now, after you click on it, you just need to name the project whatever you want. And here the branch, the Git branch to build deploy, it's main. I'm going to go, as you can see here, it's main here. Okay, for me it's main. Now here it's optional, so I'm just not going to change anything here. Build command here, also it's optional. So here I'm going to add here like that. I'm going to add here this, for example. Okay, and then after that, I'm just going to leave everything because this is just a simple project. Okay, now what you need to do, you want to click on deploy static site. Now, after that, you just need to give it a few seconds. Now, as you can see, you will have to enter the card to verify your identity. If this is your first time doing this, you will need to add your card. Now, I'm going to add here my card right now. And you want to click on add card. So after you add the credit card here, you will take a $1 from your your balance. Now, after that, the website will start the project will be deployed into Render. You just need to wait a few seconds and then you can see all the process, and then you will be able to see the links. It's loading now. You will be able to see the link here, the live link. If you click on it, it's going to take you directly to the project. Okay, and also next to it, you'll be able to see three little dots so that you can copy the link and you can always send it to anyone, and then they can open it and then view the project inside the Render. Okay, that's all you need to do. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, so drop a like and see you in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you.